students. Sairam, good morning. How are you? Have you complete your English workshop regarding with our first poem Be the Best? I hope that you complete your English workshop because I have explained you how to solve and write each and every questions related with that poem. Okay. Now in this period we are going to see page number 6 and the lesson is 1.2 Androcles and the Lion. Have you heard a lot of stories from your parents, from your grandpa, grandmother? I thought that you learn and listen many stories from your parents, and every story gives you moral. And in our My English book 8, it is also given one moral story, Androcles and the Lion. So before we start the story, warming up given here, so try to listen this question and find out answer of these questions and write down in your notebook. So have you, first question, have you ever helped anyone? Have you helped anyone? Yes, most of all these students help everyone because they need our help. That's why we help them. Okay, so such type of questions given in chit chat. Then name the story, whatever you listen, and name of the hero and heroine. Now second question, complete the facts about the lions and from the alternatives. Okay, so lions are called blank place of the jungle. You know very well, the lions are called king of the jungle. Now second blank place, lions belong to the blank place family of animals. So which family? Cat family, horse family, dog family, cat families. Lions are blank place animals, carnivorous, herbivorous, omnivorous. Lions eat flesh, that is why they are called carnivorous animals. Fourth example, blank place, lions have a mane around their neck, but lioness do not have it. So which? Male lions have the mane. Mane means आयाळ. सिंहाच्या मानेभोवती जे केस असतात त्याला आयाळ म्हणतात. तर ते फक्त नर सिंहालाच असतात, मादी सिंहाला असत नाही, सिंहीला राहत नाही. A group of lions is called a blank place, flock, herd, pride, we call. नंतर 6, lions attack only when they are tricked, awake, hungry. Lions केव्हा अटॅक करतात? only when they are hungry. Okay, so in this way we have seen chit chat. Now let us listen the first two passage related with this story, Androcles and the Lion, page number 7. First of all, I read some passages. You listen carefully, and after my reading is over, you try to read like me. Androcles and the Lion. Long, long ago, there lived a kind, gentle, and courteous man called Androcles. But he had a very cruel master. In those days, kings, nobles, and other wealthy men used poor people as their slaves. Androcles was a slave. The slaves were forced to work for their masters. They had to do what their masters told them. They had no freedom, no rights. Even when they were unhappy with their master, they could not leave him. They were bound by law to obey their master, however wicked he might be. Androcles did not like his heartless, wicked master. His master starved his slaves and often whipped them. Androcles felt that even death was better than serving such a master. He kept looking out for a good opportunity. At the first chance he got, he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. Now, although Androcles had thus run away, he was not a coward. He took shelter in a forest. He was not afraid of the wild beasts that roam the forest. He did not mind that he had no roof over his head. He was happy that he was free as a bird to go wherever he wished. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण या स्टोरीमधील 3 परिच्छेदाचं वाचन केलं. नाउ ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड, ट्राय टू रीड दिस पॅसेज. So, long ago there lived a kind, gentle and courteous man called Androcles. The story is related with Androcles, so it is given speciality of Androcles. How was Androcles? Androcles was kind, gentle and courteous. म्हणजे Androcles हा जो व्यक्ती होता हा दयाळू, जेंटल, सभ्य आणि कोर्टियस, सहिष्णू. म्हणजे कोणावरही काय दाखवायचं नाही, नम्र, म्हणजे कोणावरही दुष्टपणाने वागायचं नाही, नम्रपणे वागायचं, मीन्स कोर्टियस. बट ही हॅड व्हेरी क्रुएल मास्टर. परंतु त्याचा जो मालक होता तो खूप काय होता, निर्दयी होता, क्रुएल. क्रुएल अपोजिट काइंड. सो 2 opposite words are mentioned in this passage. In those days kings, nobles and other wealthy men used poor people as their slaves. आधीच्या काळी काय व्हायचं, राजे महाराजे, नंतर नोबल्स, मोठे जे सरदार राहायचे अँड चांगले श्रीमंत व्यक्ती राहायचे, त्यांच्या दरबारी काय राहायचे, गुलाम ठेवल्या जायचे, गुलाम लोक राहायचे. आणि आपल्याच जे काही गरीब लोक राहायचे, पीडित राहायचे, त्या व्यक्तींना त्या ठिकाणी गुलाम म्हणून वागवल्या जायचं. अँड्रोकल्स वॉज अ स्लेव आणि अँड्रोकल्स वॉज ऑल्सो सच टाईप ऑफ सर्वंट, म्हणजे तो देखील एक गुलाम होता. द स्लेव्स वेअर फोर्स्ड टू वर्क टू देअर मास्टर. आणि काय व्हायचं की अशा लोकांना बळजबरीने गुलाम बनवलं जायचं आणि त्यांच्याकडून काम केलं जायचं, काम करून घेतलं जायचं. दे हॅड नो फ्रीडम, नो राईट्स. त्यांना कुठलंही स्वातंत्र्य नव्हते, कुठलेही अधिकार नव्हते. इवन वेन दे वेअर अनहॅपी विथ देअर मास्टर दे कुड नॉट लिव्ह हिम. जरी ते त्यांच्या मालकांशी नाखुश असेल तरी देखील त्यांना सोडून जाता येत नव्हतं किंवा त्यांना मालकांना सोडता येत नव्हतं. दे वेअर बाउंड बाय लॉ टू ओबे देअर मास्टर. ते पूर्णपणे एका कठोर बंधनामध्ये बांधल्या जायचे त्यांच्या स्वामींसोबत, त्यांच्या मालकांसोबत, जरी ते दुष्ट असले तरी. अँड्रोकल्स डिड नॉट लाईक हिज हार्टलेस विकेड मास्टर. अँड्रोकल्स ऑल्सो डिड नॉट लाईक his master because his master was wicked. Wicked means दुष्ट and heartless means निर्दयी, means who have no heart, who have no sensation, who have no emotion. They are called heartless. His master starved his slaves and often whipped them. His master starve means उपासमार करायचं, त्यांना खायला द्यायचे नाही, त्यांना खूप काय व्हायचे, दुष्टपणानं वागवायचे. and whip means चापकाचे फटके मारायचे. Androcles felt that even death was better than serving such people. म्हणजे अशी गुलामगिरी पत्करण्यापेक्षा मरणं केव्हाही चांगलं, मृत्यू केव्हाही चांगला, असं त्यांना कधी कधी वाटायचं. ही केप लुकिंग आउट ऑफ फॉर अ गुड ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी. आणि अशा दुष्टपणामुळे, असा त्याच्या अमानुष वागणुकीमुळे अँड्रोकल्सला वाटायचं की केव्हा मी इथून सुटतो आणि मुक्त होतो तर. देन सो व्हॉट हॅपन नेक्स्ट? ॲट फर्स्ट चान्स ही गॉट अँड ही एस्केप फ्रॉम द क्लचेस ऑफ हिज क्रुएल मास्टर. आणि त्याने एक सुसंधी शोधली आणि मालकाच्या दुष्टपणाच्या जोखमातून किंवा बंधनातून, बेडीतून काय झालं, तो निसटला. नाऊ ऑल्दो अँड्रोकल्स हॅड दस रन अवे. आणि जसा तो इथून पळून निघाला तर तो भित्र्याप्रमाणे राहिला नाही. कोवार्ड मीन्स भित्रा आणि कोवार्ड अपोजिट बोल्ड. बोल्ड मीन्स धीट. ही टूक शेल्टर इन द फॉरेस्ट. त्याने काय केलं की जंगलामध्ये निवारा शोधला, आसरा घेतला. ही वॉज नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ द वाईल्ड बीस्ट दॅट रोम इन द फॉरेस्ट. त्याला जंगली प्राण्यांची भीती देखील वाटली नाही. बिकॉज ही वॉज बोल्ड. ही वॉज मीन्स तो धीट होता. ही वॉज ब्रेव. ही डिड नॉट माइंड दॅट ही हॅड नो रूफ ओव्हर हिज हेड. त्याला कुठलेही म्हणजे जरी त्याच्या डोक्यावर काय नसला, निवारा याचा छप्पर नसलं तरी देखील त्याला कुठल्याच पद्धतीची काय वाटली नाही, भीती वाटली नाही, तमा वाटली नाही, काळजी वाटली नाही. ही वॉज हॅपी दॅट ही वॉज फ्री ॲज अ बर्ड टू गो व्हेर एव्हर ही विश. आता त्याला पक्षाप्रमाणे मुक्तपणे कुठे जाता येत होतं याचं त्याला खूप समाधान होतं, खूप आनंद होता. आणि त्यामुळेच तो काय झाला, तिथून मुक्त झाला आणि स्वच्छंदपणे जीवन जगण्याचा प्रयत्न करू लागला. स्टुडंट्स, डिड यू अंडरस्टँड दिस पॅसेज? नाऊ ट्राय टू मिनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स whatever given on the right side of the passages. Okay, and try to write down these questions. So I ask you some questions related with this passage. How was Androcles? Write down his qualities in this answer. So Androcles was kind, gentle and courteous man. So how were the condition of slaves at that time? The slaves were forced to work for their master. They had to do for their master they told them. They had no freedom and no rights. Okay, now how was Androcles' masters? Androcles' masters was heartless and wicked. Okay, now where did Androcles run? Androcles ran to the forest. So in this way we have learned 3 passages and questions related with passages. Now you have homework that read these passages and try to find new words from the passages and write down their meaning and similar words also with them. Try to find opposite word also and write down in your notebook, and remaining part we will see by tomorrow. Have a good day. Best luck for your study. Sai Ram.